and I will be your English instructor for you. Nice to meet you. So, are you ready? Let's go! And the workshop starts with watching the DVD about konpeitou's bumps secret. So now you're totally ready to craft your own konpeitou. Choose the color and flavor you like. How about a pink color and pineapple taste? Wow! Let's pour the syrup. And very gently mix konpeitou. Konpeitou. Time for the tasting phase. I hope you enjoy it. At the end, you will get to keep the konpeitou you made, as well as a certificate for your expertise in konpeitou. I'm sure you will enjoy the crafting konpeitou workshop and other workshops here. Advanced reservation is required, so please check the website for details or send us an email. We are looking forward to seeing you.